kids, I hope all are doing well. We shall learn an interesting story, that is a visit to Shillong. What is the name of the lesson? A visit to Shillong. It's a story of two girls, Naina and Sona. They are sisters. Naina and Sona with grandparents, they are traveling to Shillong because they spend their holidays. Shillong is a capital city of Meghalaya. It is a hill town. Hill town means a place together hill. Let's see what happens in the trip. We see a difficult words. Spend, to pay out. I spent lot of time with my daughter. Earlier, before. I earlier went to that village. It is beautiful. Greenery, green plants. There is greenery all over. Valley, a low area of land between hills or mountains. A river flows through the valley. Joy, happy. Holi is a festival of joy. Monsoon, the season of heavy rain. She loves the monsoon season. Winter, the cold season of the year. Weather is cold during winter. Huge, large. Tarun wants a huge ball. Twinkle, glitter, sparkle, glow. The stars twinkle in the sky. Now we see a lesson. Naina and Sona were going to Shillong to spend their holidays with grandma and grandpa. Naina and Sona both are sisters, like you children. They are going to Shillong to spend their holidays with their grandparents. Shillong is a famous hill town. Shillong is a famous hill town. Hill town means a place together hill. How much longer? Naina asked grandma for the third time as she sat beside her sister Sona in their grandparents' car. Naina asked grandma for the third time how much time it will take to reach Shillong. Naina sit beside Sona and their grandparents in the car. The drive from Guwahati to Shillong takes 3 hours, my dear. Here, grandma replied to Naina, it takes 3 hours to reach Shillong from Guwahati. If there was a railway station or an airport in Shillong, we would have reached home earlier, said grandma. Here grandma said to Naina and Sona, if there was a train or plane in Shillong, we should have reached home earlier. But I love this drive, said Sona. Naina, look at the greenery. There is a valley on your side. Grandpa, please drive slowly. There is so much to see. Here, Sona loves traveling in the car. Naina, look at the greenery and valley on your side. Sona advised to grandpa, please drive slowly. There is so much to see. Be alert. You will soon see the Umiam Lake on your right. It is also called the Barapani Lake, said grandpa. Here grandpa replied to Sona and Naina, Be ready. You will soon watch the Umium Lake on your right side, on your right, and also it's called Barapani Lake. Wow! Naina and Sona shouted with joy. Here in this, Naina and Sona shouted happily, wow! Grandpa, why do we come here only in summer? Asked Naina. Grandpa laughed. We want you to be with us the whole year. However, it rains heavily during the monsoons. The winters are really cold. March and April are the best months to visit Shillong. Here Naina asked Grandpa, why do we come here only in summer? Suddenly, Grandpa smiles. We want you both to be we want you both to be here full year. However, it rains heavily during the monsoon. In rainy season, there is heavy rain, and in winter it is very cold. So, March and April are the best months to visit Shillong. Will you take us to see the butterfly museum? Asked Sona. Mummy says that it has lots of colorful butterflies. Here, Sona asked grandparents, will you take us to see the butterfly museum? Before going to the trip, our mother told about the butterfly museum. In butterfly museum, lots of colorful butterflies. Sure, and then we can go for a picnic at Sweet Falls if you like, Grandma said. Here, Grandma said to Naina and Sona, we can go for a picnic at Sweet Falls. Sweet Falls! Sona and Naina asked together. It is a well-known picnic spot with huge waterfalls, answered Grandma. We will pack a picnic basket with sandwiches, cakes and fruits. Here, Grandma tells Sweet Falls is a well-known, beautiful picnic spot with huge waterfalls, and we will pack a sandwiches, cakes and fruits. Yeah, cried Naina. Next week we can visit the Spread Eagle Falls and the Elephant Falls, said Grandpa. We can also go to the botanical garden. It has beautiful flower. Yeah, wow, Naina said. Here, Grandpa said, in next week we visit to Spread Eagle Falls and Elephant Falls, and also we can visit to Botanical Garden. In Botanical Garden we see beautiful flowers. We would love to see all these places, said Sona. Here Sona said she loves all those places. What are the places? Spread Eagle Falls, Elephant Falls and Botanical Garden. I wish I lived here. I would love to play with the children and learn their language. Here Sona wishes to stay back in Shillong and love to play with the children and learn their language. We already know a little, don't we? Asked Naina with a twinkle in her eye. Naina, with her twinkling eyes, tells to Sona, we already know a little about Shillong. Together, Sona and Naina cried, and Ching Kasa a Shillong. We love Shillong. Here, Sona and Naina said happily, and Ching Kasa a Shillong. What is the meaning of and Ching Kasa Shillong in English? We love Shillong. Are you all ready to go to Shillong, children? Pack up. Thank you.